Hey piano students, let's learn how to play C major and G7 chords.
So starting with C major, you're going to be playing the C, the E, and the G. So put your thumb on C, middle finger on E, and your pinky on G. That's easy enough. Then the G7 chord, your thumb is going to move down to the B, and then your fourth finger is going to play the E, and fifth finger is going to stay on that G. Back to C major, C, E, G. Back to G7, B, F, G. Back to C major. Simple as that. With the left hand, I'm going to play the same notes for C major. C, E, G. Just now I've got my pinky, my middle finger, and my thumb. For G7, your pinky has to stretch down, and then you're going to play the F with your second finger and the G with your thumb. G7. Back to C major, back to G7, and C major. Keep practicing it till you are super